Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to enable 2FA on Kraken. And you can just click right here on enable 2FA, but if you don't have this notification, we go to our account, and then from here we go to security, and then right now we have here the option to enable or add a passkey or enable the authenticator app. So I recommend to do the authenticator app. So right now we click on enable, and then we go to the authenticator app. It's quite simple. Open the authenticator app. Please scan the QR code from here. Then right now we scroll down, and now in the Kraken app, they will show you a code like this with 6 digits. So right now we need to fill in the code, enter, and hey, there it is. Now we have a 2FA authenticator verification, and this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.